Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down, and from here if your brightness is too high then lower your screen brightness, and then it will fix your battery draining issue. But if it doesn't fix your battery draining issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on display, and then from here scroll down, and from here turn on this adaptive brightness button. So after turning on this button, it will help you to fix the battery draining issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then the third solution to this problem is open settings, scroll down, and here click on software update, and here click on download and install. Now here it will show you if you have updated your mobile software to latest version or not. So if your mobile software is not updated, then tap on install now to update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software your problem will be 100% fixed. So if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon, and then click on reset app preferences. Now here click on reset, and after resetting the app preferences, it will fix your battery draining issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.